Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the needle sweep at startup. So more than likely, when you do startup, that's all it does. So I'm going to go from this to this. Within VCDS, you can go ahead and press select. Within select, you'll go to 17 instruments. Within here, go to coding 07. And then right here, there's a new window that pops up. You want to go to long coding helper. And then there's another window that pops up. So right here it's at 01 selection. You want to go up just one. And right here, the first box right here where it says bit 0 gauge testing needle sweep active, you want to have that selected so it's activated. So now this box can be closed out. And then the next thing is to go ahead and do it. And then there's a window that pops up, coding accepted. Press OK, and then that's all that needs to be done. You can now exit out of VCDS, and now the needle sweep is active on the Q7. Give it a try. You put the key in the on position, and then there you go. There is your needle sweep. One thing I do want to mention, this is for the 2013 to 2015 Q7 models. So like the first generation models, like the 2007 to 2012, I'm not exactly sure if doing the process that I did with VCDS works with doing the needle sweep. So, but if it does, if you follow the instructions that I did for this on this video, and it actually works, please put that down in the comments section below to help others to know that, hey, for this year, this is the year that I have, and doing this through VCDS does work. Because I'm not too entirely sure if you can do the needle sweep with VCDS with that earlier generation of the Q7. That will be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys learned something new, and thank you for watching, and have a good one. Thanks.